Sitecore XM Cloud is the hottest new platform release from Sitecore. Known as the modern SaaS CMS, it's a powerful option for companies that are looking for the flexibility and scalability that a headless content management system provides. What architecturally makes Sitecore XM Cloud so much different than previous releases from Sitecore? You know, this sounds like a good question for our Global VP of Technology. Hey Himadri, can you tell us a little bit about what differentiates Sitecore XM Cloud from other Sitecore releases, especially when it comes to its technical architecture?
Hi Laura, we can talk about Sitecore XM Cloud using something called Pizza as a Service. This is quite familiar way to describe different cloud architecture. Say you are craving for pizza and you want to eat pizza. So there are several ways you can go for that. And I will describe different way you can actually order pizza using Pizza as a Service, which we will bring the example of the cloud architecture as we go through different way you can get your pizza. So you can make your pizza at home. You have all the ingredients, you have like your toppings, you have your sauce, you made the dough out of flour, and you can make everything at home and use your oven to bake the pizza. That similar to what a traditional on-premises hosting is, and that's similar to what Sitecore XP hosted on-prem. So you have all your infrastructure in your data center maybe, then you host the Sitecore in your on-premises. So the other way have your pizza is to actually take and bake. You get the pizza dough from outside, you get the tomato sauce from outside, and you use your oven to bake the pizza and you eat pizza at home. That's something in the cloud terminology we say infrastructure as service. So you have the servers, you are baking your pizza in your oven, so you have the infrastructure with you which you can actually build on the cloud, and then you get the Sitecore license from Sitecore and host that in the cloud using the infrastructure that you get from cloud vendor. So that is something like an Sitecore XP hosted on the cloud infrastructure. The third way to get your pizza is order the pizza and it is delivered to your door. The shop is making the pizza and bringing it to your home, and you can eat your pizza at your home. That is something in the cloud terminology that is called platform as a service. The service platform is provided by your vendor, and then you use that platform to build your application, which is Sitecore XP hosted by Sitecore. So Sitecore has its managed service, and then they will host all your Sitecore infrastructure in the managed service, and we need to just go and implement the application using that. The fourth way is actually XM Cloud, and XM Cloud is software as a service. So in terms of pizza, you can think about that, like, you do not want to do anything at home. You want to go to the restaurant, you want to buy your pizza there, and you come back home after eating the pizza. Software as service is something like that. The vendor is actually providing everything to you as a service, and you use that service to implement your web application. And Sitecore XM Cloud is something like that, where you subscribe the Sitecore XM Cloud service, and you go to your portal and you go through some clicks, and you have your Sitecore instance up and running after a few clicks. Sitecore takes care of all your service need, all your infrastructure need. All we have to do is to actually build the website or web application on the top of that. That's what Sitecore XM Cloud is. It's a software as a service.